Yo, what's good? What is your boy King back with another one, man? We're finna tap into this video by my boy Duke Dennis, man. My boy always got the smooth videos. I ain't gonna lie. He be coming up with some smooth shit. So he dropped this video talking about getting girls with a flip phone. This part 2. I ain't seen part 1, but we finna tap into part 2. This definitely gonna be funny cause shit, you pull out a flip phone, a bitch already gonna act funny. Like if you text her and she see that bitch green, you know what I'm saying? A bitch gonna be like, why you don't got an iPhone? If you get a text back, you know what I'm saying? So you come up to a girl and you like, you know, what's your number? You chop it down, da, da, da. Like, what's your number? You pull out a Motorola, that next tab. That's funny as hell. But shit, let's tap into the video, see what's up with it, man.
You see it right now? 18. You ride 8 seconds, you get $200. For a ride. Is it hard? Have you did it? What's up with this, man? What's up with it? Have you did it before?
Have I done it? I'm just the assistant. I'm just coming from the boss today.
You get a change for a ride? Here you go. I'm a little nervous.
I need your time right here.
Right here? Hey, ride the hell out of it. My name's Duke.
Coming on D-Block, apparently. Going for the $200 challenge. On camera, on all. Gonna be on YouTube. Okay, you gotta get on there and find out for yourself. Get on up there, dude.
No, what happened to this camera?
Be sure to watch NASCAR Live on Fox and FS1 on YouTube TV. Try it free.
What could make you happier than this ad being over? Your experience selling your car at Echo Park Automotive.
It's thunder now. Maybe that's what the camera tweaked. We all good now.
Alrighty, now, young man, 8 seconds, one hand only. You can't touch or grab the ball. Oh, he ain't smiling no more. You ready? All those symbols. Here we go. We got D. We got Willie. We got Willie. We got D. Oh, man, sir.
My boy lasted like 5 seconds.
7 seconds, sir.
7
I think you got a
seconds.
phone somewhere, Willie, too. I forget it right there. That's a secondary phone. I can tell what it is. Don't forget the trap phone, D. How we going, sir? Thank you so much. Well, I'm going to be on YouTube now. Honey, something's got to help us first get those seats. One, 2, 3, go. All right,
Go ahead, bro.
All right, Dave.
Hey, it's one
8
hand,
seconds, one hand, don't touch or grab the ball. So let me get my stuff ready. You ready? Here we go.
Don't fuck up the concourse.
Oh, no, David, no. 4 seconds flat, sir.
Hey,
But your dreads look great for him to win.
Oh, she cheating, bro.
My picture got messed up. Let's go.
Think I should do it again, man? That's $10.
Yeah, it's a scam, ain't gonna lie. Hey, you got it. If you got it, you got it.
No, I ain't got it. I really want to do it. You got to think some profit, though. You got to think some profit. I done spent 20. If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $170 profit.
Yeah.
So you win $200. How long you gotta stay on? I don't know how long you gotta stay on there for.
D-Block. Come back on the scene. Mighty D-Block.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's get it.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Hey, just don't put me that
You sure you ready? Alrighty, here we go. Oh man, you have to
That nigga lost everything. He lost his hat, his shoe, his phone. Hell no, I ain't fucking with it. I ain't fucking with it. I would've got up there. Oh, fuck that. Her ass finessing.
We love and appreciate you, sir. Don't forget the trap phone. I think one went that way. Don't forget the sneaker. He wanted to make sure the kicks got shown today.
God damn, what?
Up in the mic.
2 hands, though, I get that though. Like, 2 hands, I get that easy. Like, she really cheated me though, like, type shit. I ain't tripping. You know, man, I'm tripping, man, on some shit like that, man. I'm tripping, though, alright.
You got me all the girls, you got me all the rings, I swear. You the rich guy. Hey, I pull all the girls who's doing this. I pull all of them. I gotta go. Bro, I'm dead serious. You got me all the girls. Where are you? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Can I get your Gmail, please? Your Gmail, please?
That nigga said,
I'm trying to interview you.
little bro crazy.
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I ain't had it.
BT.
Nope. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Good. Oh, good.
Man, y'all hear that? It's thundering like a motherfucker outside. That shit. Man, hopefully we make it through this video, man. That shit sound crazy.
I ain't used
What's
one
up,
of these.
boy?
What's up, bro? What's up? I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look though. No account, right? Look who third.
Okay.
Look who third. No account now. Yes, sir. Look who third. Then but then that one dude did it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That one dude did it. But hell yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe. Don't do this, man.
Y'all are a gang of beautiful men.
Damn. That is you beautiful.
I know, but I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Oh, yeah?
No, for real.
Too bad you ain't looking for a boyfriend right now.
Google Pixel, the only phone
Man,
by Google.
YouTube got so many fucking ads, it don't make no
All
sense.
skin tones.
Oh, you want my... Okay, you know what? I would give you my number, but I don't give my number out like
You
that.
don't have to. I don't either.
Oh, yeah?
No. What's your name?
Oh, shit!
Wait, what the fuck just happened?
Oh, shit!
Was that a cat?
Hey, man, y'all gotta drop the fucking cat, man.
That was funny as hell.
Yup. Okay, you gotta go. Really? You looking for him? Okay, this one. You gonna get the notes on my Oh, yeah? There you go home.
Man, I smell cap. I smell cap. Shorty ass just not trying to seem thirsty. These bitches do not be running no game on nobody. Look out, peep how Shorty whole body position changed. She's so funny. She funny as hell. She's talking about you got flip phone. He got that number though. Shorty's ass still go up. Man, let me find out. I'm about to go give me a flip. What the fuck? What the fuck? White boy drunk as hell, tweaking.
Tight shit. DD block. Oh, I ain't finna pull that out, but you know what's going on. Hold on to D block. Big block.
Hold on, don't laugh at my dog, man. I told him I'm in between balls right now. Can you take a picture together? Yeah, come here, man. What's up, man? Hey, dude, what's yours? Hey, come on. I really would get that number, but I ain't getting it. I want you to go. No, I got 2 dogs. I got 2 dogs, too. Yeah. You got to find this camera. I'm chatting right now, man. Let me see what's up. I'm dead ass here. I'm on mama, I'm a dog. Oh, yeah? You know, I really love this blue on you, though. Fuck you. Fuck me.
His ass is wild as fuck.
It's not playing the color red.
What's up, man? Let me get your number, man. What's your number, man? What's your number?
Yeah, flip phone. I'll put you there.
You motherfucker.
Nah, out of all people, I know she not the one that's gonna tweak on him. This shit fun, this shit wild. Out of all people. Come on now, shorty. Out here bogus as hell gonna talk about his phone.
What's up? What's up with you, son? How you doing?
Oh man, you doing well.
Why you say that?
Ain't good to be in the streets, man. I'm talking to the kings, man. Me and my wife sitting right over there. I've been sitting there for the last...
I ain't gonna lie, man. Drunk old heads be the worst, cause they just come up talking. They just come up talking and talking and talking. Like out of all respect, OG, don't nobody give no fuck. Like
3 to 4 days.
Yeah.
I got every damn dime we can get.
I got my 40. Hey, I got $40 for you right here. Yes, sir.
Yes,
I know it ain't much, but hey, look, it's an investment right there. It's an investment right there.
Believe me. How old do you think I am now?
51, 52.
Never see that again. I was born April 19 damn 40.
40, God damn, 573.
that's crazy.
Two.
You look good as fuck, boy. You look good.
No, bro, dude could look good for 82. That's crazy as hell. I would have thought what bro said, like 50, son, 50-ish. Oh, bro.
Boy, that's cap. Boy, you look too good to be 80 something, man.
My youngest child is 34. My oldest is 53.
If you 80 something, man, I would be blessed to look like you when I get 80 something.
Yeah,
You look good, boy. I'm telling you, man. You look good. Yo, like, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like, this would be a good advice point of view. Just chat, man. Yeah, you're like, nigga, goddamn, some boom, nigga. I'm texting her phone, nigga. She ain't answering. It's 3 in the morning. She was just on IG Live. They got it said she was acting. I seen the green book beside her. Nigga, bitch, text me early the next morning talking about I fell asleep. Bitch! You fella.
Bitch, I went through my messages, my goddamn phone. When she seen that curve, though, she done got that curve.
They had some bitches over here last night. The bitch done went through his phone and seen the dick fit.
Nah. If you just meet a shorty and she go through your phone first night, that bitch crazy as hell, man. Don't even, man. Leave that shit where it's at, man. Kick that bitch out next morning. Leave it with us. I do not text that hoe back. And she got your Instagram blocker. Cause her ass crazy.
I took the liberty of washing your sex toy. By the way, this is very small. It could totally...
Bitch was ready to stay here.
She was. Hey, I can vouch for that, man. She was not trying to leave after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go. I got my own car. Yeah, she said, y'all can go. I got my own car. Whole time I'm wondering, damn, Q ripped my ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in this car. It's tough.
Hey, I'm original though. Like the whole time I'm talking to her and shit, then she went through my phone on her own shit. So I'm like, oh well, shit, bitch. Whole time I was expecting her to see the dick pic, but I'm like, why is she goddamn going through my phone like my messages and then the bitch talking about, oh, you sell weed, all type shit. I was like, this nigga said my heart beat.
My heart, bro. This nigga, bro. Hold on, bro. What the fuck, bro? Bro, this nigga said my heartbeat was going through my dick one day, so I recorded it and sent it to him. Oh my God!
That nigga freaky as hell. What the fuck type shit is that? I ain't never.
Boy, y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had?
No way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Oh, shit. They served up, boy, dude. Hey, that nigga dude down here. Hey, ain't no way, boy.
Hey, go ahead. Oh, me? I am a grown man, man.
Yes, you're certified.
Yeah, man.
He had to get that number for real. He didn't pull out the flip this time. He pulled out the iPhone. He not playing with Shorty.
What's your name, though? Huh? My name Duke. Look, I'm 28.
Oh, is it recording this? Hey.
Hey, you know what? Y'all just
You know what? He's running.
Is you ready? Are you gonna Android? Test you.
What the rest of the name? People at?
Oh, yeah, you can have it.
Yeah, come on, take a picture right now. Oh my God, and I am.
Victoria. Okay, y'all from LA though? Y'all was doing about 6 hours? Yeah, I heard 6 hours.
Six, well, it depends on what part. I'm from Southern Virginia.
Oh, yeah?
So that kind of, yeah.
Okay. Hey, don't do. Matter of fact, hey, come here, man. Get your number or something, man. Get your number or something, man, with this right here, right here.
Boy, what?
All right. You gonna
I'm sorry. I don't care.
Yeah,
Except though, I don't care.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter to me.
Shorty was on it from the jump. She don't get no fuck. What that nigga had pulled out his pocket. So they talking about, I don't care. She on it. She know who bro is. She on it.
Dude, that's not your fault. That's not your fault. She didn't even light up when you
know my number by heart.
Did the flip on that work? That's 90 minutes. See?
Oh, no. See, that's my, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I was just making sure.
I'm not saying
because I pulled, it was dead. So I had to, I don't know, shit, I got my other phone with me type shit.
Yeah, my brother first.
Hey, nice to meet y'all, man. Y'all have a good night. You have a great night, too. Yes, ma'am. Yep, see, I told you. If that dude was gonna work, man. You see, hey, it was dead at first, and I was like, type shit, it gonna work, so this still count, low key.
You hear me? No, we not. I'm from Raleigh, bro. 100 miles. Raleigh, niggas, man. WG and shit. We from the Bull City, down North Carolina. You hear me? No child.
Well, that's a hard shirt right there, motherfucker. This nigga got a Koski collared shirt on. That motherfucker hard, man. Yeah, I ain't no guy. I just bought it.
Oh, he's somebody. I don't know who is everybody. You got to fuck that. I don't like it, but I want to be like.
Yeah, nah, I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you
motherfuckers
do
not
YouTube. What kind of like videos you do?
So I just started like last month.
What you do though? Like them videos they be like, hey, you cheating on your
No. I just be doing random shit.
Oh, like what though?
Whatever I want to do.
Well, fuck it, YouTube me.
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, that's what
Well,
I
let's
do.
go ride a horse.
Hey, wait for it up.
Watch the NBA Finals live on ABC and YouTube TV. Try it free.
You could go to Grainger.com to find what you need to get the job done. Grainger, supplies and solutions for every industry.
Virginia.
See, what the fuck is what's up everybody being from Virginia? Like,
I'm from Richmond. I don't know where the fuck the rest of these bitches is from, but I'm from Richmond.
shit, I ain't never been to Virginia.
Okay, put on Snapchat. Put my Snapchat. Put that on the
I don't got Snap. I stopped using that shit.
What the fuck you got there?
I got
You finna hit me with it.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck it. Let's see. Let me see. Dude, I'm a person. I don't know. Shit, let me see. I'm being real. I ain't want you to lie. I wanna know who you think.
I'm trying to get to
Alright, come on. Let me see the track. Fuck it.
I'll get out there.
Yo, bro, shorty act like that. Shorty, yo ass tweet. What you talking about? You not getting a trap number. Fuck. Bro, her ass don't even look like shit. What?
Oh, real time, okay. I got you. I know this shit going. The fuck going on, nigga? Me personally, no, I'm talking about dog. Me personally, I don't want nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I want to let shit like that go down. But then again, like, that ain't me, and that ain't nothing on business with me.
Got me running down the fucking beach. Wait, no motherfucker. Let's take a picture. Though. All right, come on.
Shorty ass deep.
Yeah, you right. You damn right. Wait, no motherfucker. Wait, take over North Carolina.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, big dog shit. Big dog shit. Hey, yeah, my nigga, get this motherfucker's money. Stop motherfucking playing me. Stop motherfucking.
Shorty ass TT. She's so motherfucking happy she just ran into Duke on this crazy night. She funny as hell.
You don't? Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Yes, my nigga right here. Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, you know what?
Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
We together from now on out.
Yeah, we together.
Yeah.
Come take him from me.
What's his name?
Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, our anniversary is May 28th.
May 28th.
Our anniversary is May 28th.
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way, boy.
That's our anniversary.
Hey. I told these hoes that's my nigga. He said, when I'm anniversary. That's right. Yeah.
Listen, everybody relax. What the fuck you care about? That nigga do it.
I like your football. Yeah, I'm locked in. I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker move. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh God, that motherfucker move.
Yeah, that motherfucker move. This ain't him bringing my yeah.
How y'all doing?
Yeah.
They scared. I ain't scared.
Oh yeah, I'm already knowing you ain't scared. Yeah. Okay. Hey, fellas, look, I swear to God, brother. Hey, she got no drawers on. I can feel it. I can feel all of this right here. Like, she ain't got no drawers on, fellas. Damn, man. I've been doing the same motherfucking thing.
What we on YouTube? What you talking about?
I
ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do. What we on YouTube?
Yeah, you going on there? Say something. Right now.
Damn,
Hey, shout out to 25 man. Yeah, we got this bitch with goddamn Duke. Everybody turn up on the trip.
Hey, no, I do got something.
I'm telling you.
Hey, look. Hey.
He said, I do got some they cut buddy ass out. Hell nah.
Hey, since the governor of Florida is my daddy, I'm putting up on camera. Come here. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. What's your name? John? Hey, congratulations on free gas card.
I can't really catch a shit. I'll leave it there. I know that. He got us some in. Bye. I'm sorry about right now. You already know I was coming. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're going to get married. I promise. I promise you. I like you so much. So much. Like, you're really my wallpaper. You know?
My boy ain't even got to pull out the phone. He getting them all on sight. They know, bro, is once he step through, bro, that's lit.
This shit right here is gonna be so big. Hey, like you get that jersey, born to sports. Yeah. Are we right here? Appreciate that. Oh yeah? I ain't even gonna be here tomorrow, gang. So hold on. You can bet, man?
What's up?
You can.
What's up?
You got a slide right now.
It's like I'm doing this all
right now. Oh God, this is
You got that shit with me.
No.
right now. Do that for you?
Yeah.
I know you're saying.
No.
What's up?
Yeah, I
I
was
passing from all these people. I still don't give a fuck.
whatever you feel most comfortable with. So, hey, my dog was finna do.
Because I seen you do that shit on the video.
Oh, yeah. Touch me.
On the football shit. And this shit slippery. If I bust my ass, I don't give a fuck. I can do that.
God, yeah, I'm finna have to upgrade to YouTube Red, man. Cause I can't do these ads, bro. I can't. I'm done with these ads. They'll make you pay for that shit, all these ads. I think that's the whole goal. Like, man, we put 100 ads in every video, they'll have to pay us $15 a month. Like, what the fuck? Concrete, his ass crazy.
I will hold it. What is that, boy? Is it a time? Yes, it is. No, it's an 0100. I don't know what you're talking about, though. Versus 25. Yes, sir. That red shit is crazy. Nah, that shit is crazy.
Hey, you don't know who shot that shit. That's my story.
Oh, yeah?
You know who shot that shit.
Well, I'm going to use one of them as my profile picture. I ain't going to count. Everything that y'all just seen is for entertainment purposes only, bro. I really don't be raising motherfuckers' mamas up. And to be honest, bro, for all the TikTok people that be posting me, bro, stop saying Duke can't be stopped. Duke is unmatched. Stop saying all that shit, bro. I am a regular ass nigga, bro. Alright, fellas. With that being said, man, I love all y'all still, though. Love all y'all. Love all the females who starting to support me, starting to watch me and things of that nature right there, man. With that being said, man, 2 mil is on the motherfucking way, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm out.
You know, that was lit. My boy Duke came through, fucked the city up. But shit, it's your boy King. I'm out too.